Clearance section, batteries get a free tool. We'll get you 2 free tools. These are new. Those are all made in the USA. And we got huge clearance at the Lobes. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tutorials, price glitches. All right, let's go ahead and start. So basically, $549 for this 163cc 22-inch mower. This is the old school, the gas, reliable. Yes, guys, these are new. Yeah, 12-inch cordless high-speed fans. Now this does run 2.5 hours on a 4 amp hour battery, about 55 dBA. It is powered by battery or cord, so you can put an extension cord on the back on that. Buy one get one free. So you buy the mower, get one of the blower or the handheld edge trimmer for free. So just lots of good deals. Same thing with this. You could buy the blower and string trimmer combo. You get a select Craftsman tool for free. This one's down to $199. This is 60 volts, 13-inch, 15-inch string trimmer from the Toro. So these do come with battery and charger, most of these. You got the 40 volts brushless edge trimmer. This one's a 24-inch, 40 volts, $152. You got a box here. This is a carry case, $39 on clearance. And then you got this attachment pole saw, $32, universal. And you got this portable evaporative cooler for the garage or for open area. This one's $378, 750 square foot. All right, we got another mower here on clearance. This is a front wheel drive self-propelled mower. It is from the Toro brand. So this one's $359. They're from $459. There's just a lot of mowers out on clearance. There's a couple more over here, different brands. This one's the $300. It's the same brand, it's Toro. So, all right, you got the Flex 24.25-inch impact driver with the power stack battery. This is $149. This is a killer deal on this one. $140 down from $199. Then you got the Leaf Blaster 40 volts, $329. They're from $379. That's actually a pretty good deal. $89 down from $149 for this vacuum. This is a Black & Decker. You get the Eureka, $89.99. Great for cleaning the shop. Yeah, definitely. All right, and then we got a fridge, another item for the shop. You got, or for the garage, $5.99. This is a great item, very inexpensive. On clearance, you got a drill and drive set here, $29.98 from the Cobalt. Now, this was actually a pretty complete kit. It does have some spade bits, drilling bits, wood bits, extension bits, lots of 1-inch bits, tic-tac case, and some nut drivers. All right, $24.98 for the 50-piece, and $24.98 for the 21-piece drill drive set. So that's the drill sets. They are compatible with the impact drivers, and then you got a driver drill bit set there combination. You got the Versa Stack, $99, and from $129. It's actually a pretty nice deal. Guys, I'll leave you guys all the links down below in the description section of the video. It might be on the YouTube shopping cart. They might be affiliate links. So I'll leave those links in the description section. All right, you got the 1/4-inch impact driver, $149. Nail crown stapler, $219. 23-gauge pin nailer for $189. So these are all good deals. They're on sale. You got $19.98 for the strippers. They are 8 to 20 gauge. $29.98 for the linesmans. Those are all made in the USA, according to what the package says. So I figure they should be, because they do have an American flag on those. Pretty nice looking. A little pricey, but pretty nice. $19.98 for the screwdriver 3-piece set. Now these do have some nice rubber handles. They are labeled USA made, a 3-piece. All right, clearance section. We got a whole bunch of clearance here to go on over. All right, let's start here with this $64.52 for the hammer drill, down from $129. That's the hammer drill itself. It's just a tool only. All right, they got this $49.50 for this drill. This is a brushless RP from the Craftsman. And then they got this one right here, $179 for the stud and joist drill. This is down from $299. That's actually a really good deal. They got a whole bunch of those. And then they got these. These are PEX cutters or PVC cutters. And then they have these green turtles. If you ever wanted to see one inside, there you go. That's what makes all that noise. That's the PVC and PEX cutter, $89. Again, you do have the copper ones as well, same price. $79 down from $99 for that drywall screw gun. $29.98 for this power tool case from the Cobalt, they call it. They got a belt sander for $99 down from $129. This is a Craftsman brushless. Then they got the buy one give one free for the Craftsman. So you buy the toolkit on the right for $99. It does include 2 batteries to charge it, and you get a free tool. That's actually a pretty damn good deal. And there's actually one for that you do get 2 free tools. So it's a 2-2 combo kit you have to buy. You got the 6-2 combo kit V20 for $199. That's actually not bad either. That's just a great starter kit. I believe those are brush tools. Keep that in mind. Same thing with this. You buy that $149. You get the top or bottom kits, and all those tools are for free, including this angle grinder, circular saw, the fan, the jigsaw. All those are available with the purchase of those combo kits, either the chainsaw or the pruning saw or the starter kit. Same thing with this. Again, this is the $149 will get you 1 free tool. $249 will get you 2 free tools. It's just a better look of this deal that they got going on. It's actually pretty good because they're brushless tools. They're all, including that impact wrench, the angle grinder. Those are really good tools to choose. And that oscillating tool, it does have DeWalt DNA on it. Alright, so they got this impact driver. You got the angle grinder, jigsaw. So there's a whole bunch of tools. Alright, buy one get one free. When you purchase the Frex flaming nailers, you get a starter kit for free. They're still running. Alright, for the Bosch, you got an 18-volt Bosch. This is a purchase 18-volt 2-tool combo kit, get, or a 2-2 pack of batteries, get a free tool. And then, yeah, that's the 2-pack of batteries there. You get a free tool on that one. So that's actually pretty good. Either this one or the one on the bottom. That's coming with 2 batteries, charger for $179. The 4 amp hour batteries. And then you got the 2-tool combo kit, which I do not have the price, but I'll see if I can put the links down below in the description section. You got the hacksaw reciprocating saw on clearance. That's a one-handed reciprocating saw. You got 2 free tools with the purchase of the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries. So it's actually a pretty good deal on this one. That's it right there. So that $299 will get you 2 free tools. $199 will get you 1 free tool. You can choose from the router. All those tools, especially the ones that are close to $200, those are the ones to get with this deal. Alright, you got to buy one get one free with the power tool. You get a free 8 amp hour battery. They're still running this deal. So I don't know if these deals are going to overlap or not, but they're there. Alright, buy one get one free with this one. We got the router adjustable table, and you get a 6-piece carbide router bit set. So that's the table you have to buy, $149, and then you got the clearance on the plunge router for $87, down from $349. It's a killer deal on that one if it's available at your store. So these are the bits you're gonna get for free with that. Alright, $992 down from $39 for that area air. Now this is all electronics. This is not gonna be your Wi-Fi's and cameras and all that stuff. This is usually on the front of the stores. Make sure you take a quick peek. You might find some really good, electronics devices and even batteries, power tool batteries. They usually store these up in the front as well. So make sure you guys check out the cages every time you're looking up. You do got some cameras. This one's I believe a Nest Hub. It's like an internet hub that you connect everything to. That's it right there with the nice screen. It's from the Google. Then right next door you got this next Wi-Fi. Now these you can put a lot of smart devices. You got a bigger house. Nice toolbox. This is really nice. All blacked out basically. You do got some rubber ends protection there. Some handles. Solid wood top. Craftsman. Got some nice ball bearings. Lots of rooms, black casters. This is the premium S2000 series. This is going to be the nicer one. 52-inch soft close, and then you got a 2,000 pound rating on this box. This one's $7.99. This was actually a really nice box, which I could afford that, or had the space on that as well. $38 on clearance out from $48. This is our oscillating blade set. Then we got another smaller box. This one's a little bit narrower and a little bit higher on the top, so save you some space and some money. $5.98 for the combo. It's actually pretty good for that 36-inch. Really nice. I like the blue combination with this stool. All right, so $149 your choice. They got some really nice deals on this. These are great. These are all brushless tools. They're DIY level to prosumer. All right, got the drill and impact driver kit, and then you got the blower and string trimmer kit there at the bottom. You did get this battery for $59. This is a deal down from $79. You got this impact wrench. This is a killer deal on this impact wrench. It does come with the 4 amp hour battery. This is $229. It's down to $149. So definitely check it out, guys. Lots of good deals on that. All right, $159 for the 3-drawer toolbox from the mod box from Klein. These are really nice. This is, yeah, I really love the lock on this. If you guys look at it closely, that's the way you unlock it. If you want to lock it back up, you can put a lock on that, a padlock. $119 for this box. This is a 3-drawer. So you got the 3-drawer, the 2-drawer. All right, $79 on sale. This was actually a pretty good deal. Compact drill driver. You need a drill driver, but it has everything in there. This is a 2 amp hour starter kit. It's a great brand to get into as well. Lots of tools. 40 volt or 40 piece bit set there. It does include some socket adapter, impact rated. Guys, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.